Looking to grow your personal brand to 6 figures and beyond? In this video, I'm going to share the exact 5-step formula we followed to go from social media nobodies with no audience and no influence to running a multiple 6-figure personal brand in just 10 months. Hey there, I'm Jordan Maylea, and alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, we are the co-founders of the Global Freedom Community, where we give ambitious entrepreneurs the exact proven blueprint to start, grow, and scale a freedom-focused business online. When my mom and I launched our personal brand, we had no audience, no influence, and no clue where to start. But thanks to some very specific strategies, we were able to grow our personal brand to multiple 6 figures in less than 1 year, all by working just a few hours a week from our laptops. We know you started your business because you wanted more freedom, not less. You want to be able to spend more time doing the things you love in the places you love with the people you love. And that's why we are so passionate about giving ambitious entrepreneurs the blueprint to start, grow, and scale a freedom-focused online business. If that sounds amazing, be sure and hit that subscribe button because we put out brand new content on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss it. I want you to close your eyes for a minute and imagine what it will feel like when you have a business that brings in sales while you sleep, or while you're on vacation, or while you're taking your kids to school, or while you're curled up on the front porch with a good book. Imagine creating one email or putting up one social media post, then going about your day and coming back later to see that that one piece of content generated dozens or even hundreds of leads, thousands of dollars in sales for your business. That is the reality of having a freedom-focused business, a business that works even when you don't. And with the right systems and the right steps in place, it's actually easier to do than you might think. My mom and I have found that there are 5 essential steps to growing your freedom-focused business online. I'm going to break them all down for you in this video, so let's jump in. Step number 1, attracting an audience. You can have the best business idea, the most amazing products, the most incredible programs in the world, and if no one knows about it, it doesn't matter. You're not going to be able to build a business with it. So attracting an audience isn't just one of the first steps that you need to tackle as an entrepreneur. It's an ongoing part of the entrepreneurial journey. It all starts with knowing who you help and how you help them. Who are you speaking to and what problems are you solving for that person? Then consistently creating content on the right social media platforms for your business so that those people find you, connect with you, and start to know who you are and how you can help them. When you do this consistently, you will become the go-to resource for that person, for your ideal customer when they're looking to solve a particular pain point or problem in their life. And that means you'll be building an audience of ideal clients, customers, and teammates who know, like, trust, and want to do business with you. Step number 2 is capturing your audience. As you start to attract your audience, you also need to have a strategy in place to capture their information and bring them closer into your world. Social media is an amazing place to attract an audience, but last time I checked, we don't own Facebook or Instagram unless your name is Mark Zuckerberg. By the way, if you are Mark Zuckerberg, hello, so glad you're watching. We are so grateful for the social media platforms that you've created for us, but if you're not Mark Zuckerberg, then you're like us. You don't own social media. And that means you need a place to capture your audience's information so that you can reach out and stay in touch with them and bring them deeper into your world, deeper into that know, like, and trust so that you can share your offers with them. Despite building audiences on social media, 95% of our business revenue comes from our email list. Social media is an incredible place to attract people to you, to find and connect with your ideal customers. But your email list is where you make money. We recommend creating a free downloadable resource that your ideal client or customer would find valuable. Then use your social media posts to promote that free download in exchange for their name and email address. In our first year of business, my mom and I were able to build an email list of over 40,000 leads using this free resource strategy. That's what allowed us to go on and earn multiple six figures in our first year of business. Okay, step number 3, nurturing your audience. Yes, you've got to attract, you've got to capture, and it would be amazing if everyone was ready to buy right away, right? But typically it takes someone 8 to 12 exposures to you, your products, and your programs before they're ready to make a buying decision. That's why you've got to nurture your audience. There are so many ways that you can nurture your audience through social media and your email list, but here are a few of the ones that have worked best for us. Weekly hero content like the video you're watching now, weekly emails reminding our audience to watch the content or catch up on things they missed, a private Facebook group where we give exclusive training, and showing up consistently on social media, both in our feed and in our stories. That last one is huge. By simply showing up consistently, you can set yourself so far apart from so many others who are working to build their brand online. Okay, now let's dive into step number 4, converting. I have to be honest with you, my mom and I are not big fans of vanity metrics. Likes, comments, followers, even email subscribers can look great on paper, but at the end of the day, if you're not converting those people into sales for your business, then you don't have a business. In fact, my mom and I had built our Facebook page to over 30,000 followers, but we actually lost it overnight. Thankfully, we had a solid strategy in place for nurturing and converting our audience through our email list. So even though we had to start over from scratch on social media, our revenue during that time continued to grow. So yeah, vanity metrics don't really mean much at the end of the day. One question we get all the time is, how quickly can I start making money from my business? And our answer is right away. You just have to have the right strategy in place. We started making money our very first month in business because we had a very simple step-by-step sales funnel that led people from our free offer to a low-priced micro offer and then on to our signature courses and coaching programs, always leading people to the next step in the process where they could learn more and we could better help them. The key here is to keep the end in mind. Ultimately, where do you want people to go? Do you want people to sign up for a signature course, a coaching program? Do you want people to join your team or buy a specific product? There are so many steps in building a business, and your audience will make so many micro actions and micro commitments on their way to that final step. They will like or comment on one of your posts. They might follow you on social media, send you a DM, opt into your email list. They might buy a lower priced offer from you or a different product. They might sign up to get on a discovery call or a Zoom meeting. And those are the things that we experience every single day. And it's so easy to fall into the trap of thinking those are the things that are most important. But at the end of the day, it's all about, what do you want people to ultimately do? And every action you take in your business needs to be geared towards driving people toward that step. Remember, your goal is to attract, capture, and nurture your audience so that you can ultimately drive them and convert them into your products, programs, and business. And if you truly believe that your products, your programs, your course, your business has the opportunity to serve people and help them, then you have an obligation to make sure people are aware of it and are driving towards that step so that they can make an informed decision. Okay, time for the last step in the formula, upgrade. A few years ago, my mom and I went out to Florida. We live in Texas. We flew out to Florida for one day for a VIP coaching day with a mentor of ours. We told him at the time that our goal was to make $1 million a year in our business. And we had one program at the time. It was a pretty low-priced membership program. And our goal was to make $1 million a year with that program. And he asked us if we wanted to make $1 million a year faster, or if we were committed to only making $1 million a year with that one program. Of course, we said, hey, we want to make it faster. How can we do that? And he explained to us that having multiple streams of income in our business was really the best way to hit our revenue goals. Russell Brunson, the founder of ClickFunnels, says that you only need 1,000 true fans to build a six-figure business online. Now, a true fan is not a casual follower or email subscriber. They are a member of your tribe. They love every single thing that you put out. They're eager to buy anything that you offer because they know you, they like you, and they trust you. So how do you build a true fan culture in your business? Well, first of all, you have to be a person of true value. Your audience is not going to stick around if you make over promises and you under deliver. You've got to show up. You've got to give value. You've got to serve them from your heart and over deliver for them and give them an amazing customer experience. And when you do that, you will start to build a tribe of people who are just crazy about you and your business because of how much you have helped them and how much they trust how you can continue to help them in the future. The key is to continue showing up consistently and to consistently offer them solutions to their biggest problems and pain points. Okay, so I have to know, which of these 5 steps are you most excited about implementing into your online business? Just a quick recap of the 5 steps. Number 1, attract your audience. Number 2, capture your audience. Number 3, nurture your audience. Number 4, convert your audience. And number 5, upgrade your audience. Let me know which one you're most excited about in the comments below. I'm excited to see which one you're going to implement first. To help you take action on what we've covered today, my mom and I have put together our 6-figure blueprint starter guide, and we're offering it free for a limited time. This starter guide is valued at $97. It's 30 pages, and it is jam-packed with everything you need to start, grow, and scale your online business starting today using the 5 steps that we've covered in this video. We give you action steps. We help you get clarity and confidence and overcome all the places within each step where you're most likely to get stuck. That way you can move on and start making the money that you want and the money that you deserve. You can download the guide at globalfreedomcommunity.com/start here, or just click on the link in the description below this video. If you got value here today, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. It's no cost to do so. And we put out great new content on this channel every single week to help you start, grow, and scale your online business with a freedom-focused lifestyle in mind. That's all for now, and I can't wait to see you right back here in the next video.